Okay, time for another video demonstration. I just finished up the first revision of the PPI code for the Arduino, and so you can see I've got things kind of torn apart now, and I've got the pulse counter board hooked up to the Arduino, which is installed in place now, and that USB cable leads back to my computer. So again, if you missed the last video, this board is something I made that counts the pulses from the smooth stepper. Now this could be any controller and it will do the same thing. So with this Mega, the idea is that it's going to turn or set a pin high and low, so I can turn the laser controller on and off according to the distance that was traveled, and this will all be hardware set, and it's fairly inexpensive. So they're looking at about less than $100 depending on what parts you have laying around to make this thing, and it will do the same thing that the Epilogue laser does. So for a little demonstration, I've loaded up a G-code in here to make a little a Dutchman, I guess is what you call it. Looks like a little bow tie. So let me see if I can zoom in on that guy. That is what I'll be cutting out, and what's printing to this display right now is the laser on off, and I have it set up to do in the code to do a PPI of 4, so once every quarter inch it will send a pulse, and the pulse width is 500 milliseconds. Now of course we'd never run the laser at that, but in order to be actually able to show that this thing works, I have to set it to be pretty slow. So here we go. The cycle start, moves to position, and it's on and off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. It seems like it's working pretty good. The code runs a little bit slower with the serial print on it, but there should be no problems going up to several thousand PPI with this. The other thing to note is even with using the fast turn on, I did notice that that there is a lag on the smooth stepper between when it starts to move and when it turned the laser on, and this will actually fix that. So there is no need to do lead in and lead outs with this system. It will turn on the laser, and it will not let the laser be on when there is no motion moving. So pretty good. I'm happy with it. So anyway.